In this video, I literally gifted myself every single skin and cosmetic in Fortnite. I'm gonna be opening this up in 3, 2, 1. Let's get into it, bro. Literally, bro. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this. Make sure to watch the full entire video because it's actually crazy. I just gifted myself every single cosmetic. But yeah, guys, without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. I'm gonna close out of that. I just received 6,000 items, and I'm pretty sure one of those items being the Renegade Raider. Yes, sir. Maybe even the Aerial Assault Trooper. Yes, sir. But as you can see, this is actually completely working. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. Make sure to watch the full entire video because this is actually an updated tutorial for Chapter 3 Season 4. Chapter 3 Season 4 just came out. So if you guys want to learn how to do this, make sure to watch the full entire video and do not skip any parts, because a lot of people leave comments saying they are confused when they don't actually watch the full entire length of the video. But let's get on to the tutorial. What you guys want to do is exit out of Fortnite, and then you guys want to go into the link of the description. I actually just created this Discord, so I'm super hyped. But you guys should take you to this Discord. It'll be linked in the description. And then you're gonna have all these channels right here, but specifically you will be granted with the Start Here channel. Make sure to read this. For more information, you guys can check the FAQ channel on how to actually do this. I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how to do this. To unlock the download for Fortnite Dev, you want to go into the download section, and then you want to read this. To verify yourself, please type !verify with the full device screenshot of you being subscribed with all notifications enabled on the current video you're watching. Once you've done this, create a ticket and you will get the download directly messaged to you. Example shown below. For example, you want to include a screenshot by something like that. What you guys want to do is you guys want to go onto my YouTube, and I'm going to go on to my alt account. And then what you guys want to do is the video that you're on right now, you want to take a screenshot. For example, you want to take menu button and then press snipping tool, and then when you guys are here, you want to press move. And if you guys are watching this on mobile, you guys can obviously just take a screenshot on your phone, save this to your device, and then once you have a screenshot on your phone or your PC, you can go unlock download, and then it should take you to a ticket. I already have a bunch of tickets created, but it should take you to a ticket. I'm trying to look for an empty ticket. Okay, so for example, it should take you to a ticket, and it should look like this. The images are not loading, but it's just basically the same images as earlier, and it says please do the same thing. We're gonna do !verify, and then we're gonna press the tab, upload file, and then find the image, and then press open, and then press enter. Now it's going to say scanning image to confirm you have subscribed. If scanning is successful, you should receive a DM from me6. As you can see, I received a DM from me6. And now you guys want to press the bit.ly/FC downloads and press yep. It should take you to this advertised link, which is right here. And then once you guys are here, you guys want to press I'm not a robot. And then press free access with ads. Close this out. And then PC. And then you guys want to install this and actually launch it. But we're going to install this really quick. Obviously, all these downloads are completely safe, and you guys can uninstall this later on. So just wait for it to complete download. And you guys are gonna have to install this. Unfortunately, you guys are gonna have to install this another like 3 times for this to actually work. But eventually, it should redirect you to the Fortnite Dev. And obviously, like I said, you guys can uninstall these after. It doesn't really matter. We're gonna close out. Continue the website, and then download website. Press save. Double click on the download, yes, and then once you guys are here, you guys want to press next, decline both of these promotions, and then press open. It's gonna take you to my Beacons AI link. For this dev specifically, we're doing RexFN, so you want to press RexFN. Where'd it go? And then now you guys want to press I'm not a robot and do the same process. Close this out, and then install it once again, and then just wait for it to verify that you have installed this. And then just wait for it to complete. Once it says task completed, you guys can proceed with the following steps. You guys can close this out, and then you guys can press continue to RexFN Fortnite Dev, and then download RexFN Dev, save, double click on the download, press yes, and then press next, skip all, and then press open. Now this should take you to the Discord, which is right here. And once you guys are in the Discord, you guys want to go onto the rules channel, react to the rules, and then once you guys have done that, you guys can go into the hybrid downloads channel, and then once you guys are here, you guys can go into the custom installer. Press save. Click on season 20, more info, run anyway. Type in 0, press enter. Where it says game file location, you guys can right click, press new, folder, create a file folder, and then I'm gonna name this test. Double click on the folder, and then where my cursor you guys wanna click, copy the URL, go back onto the installer, paste it, and then press enter. Now this should take around 5 to 10 minutes depending on your PC. Do keep in mind that this could take up to an hour depending on your PC. If you have a very high-end PC, it should not take very long. But if you have a low-end PC, it might take longer than expected. But be patient with this. Once you guys have installed that, you guys can go on to the launcher download. Now I know you guys, this is going to be the last time you're going to have to download this. And then you guys can uninstall it. But yeah, just press free access and then download website. You guys may have to go through one after this because there may be an authorization code that you guys may have to do. But that shouldn't be a problem. And there you guys go. More info, run anyway. And finally, we are in the launcher. And now this is where you guys may need to get another link for ties. I promise this is the last one. In total, you guys had to do this around 4 times. But it's not that bad. And you guys can obviously uninstall this after. Once you guys have done this, you guys can obviously uninstall it after. Sometimes it doesn't even make you install it. For that, it didn't even make me install it. But it depends, honestly. And if you guys got a code, you guys want to double click, press copy, go back on here, press paste, login. You guys want to go in the 3 dots and actually find the folder which you just created. So find the folder, press select folder, and then press login. Log in your desired Fortnite account, which you want to gift yourself the skins on, and then you guys want to go on gifting, and then you guys can actually gift yourself. I'm going to go on gift V-Bucks, and I'm going to honestly give myself like that much V-Bucks, and then press gift. And now I'm going to go back onto the hybrid, and then you may have to log in again, press confirm, and then press launch. Should automatically launch your Fortnite. And yeah, if you guys are still watching, please comment W. It really does help out. And it does help out with the algorithm, and it pushes this video further to actually help people. Make sure to comment W. And there you guys go. I literally gifted myself V-Bucks. No, this is actually crazy. This is actually crazy. But yeah, that's going to be the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.